Hey guys, I'm gonna be replacing this side view rear mirror with this one. A buddy of mine has got damaged by a snowplow, so I have to take this whole panel off. For that, I have taken the panel there and the screw. As you can see, the screw needs to come out. Then this gonna pop up, and then believe there are a couple of screws there, and then I'm gonna dislodge this whole panel and replace the mirror because there are three screws inside here. Once I unscrew them, and then there's a switch, a clip, and I reinstall the new one and put the clip back on, and it'll gonna be, hopefully it'll start working. So this is first, and I'll do the second part after I've gone through halfway through. I have to get the socket. As you guys can see, I have to take this panel off, and for that there are clips all around it, so those clips needed to come out. There was a screw here and a screw there which was hidden, this one here, so I had to take this top panel off to get into it and to undo the screw. So now the panel is out, the door panel, and I have access to changing the mirror by taking out these screws, these bolts here. So this one is loose, that's taken out. For this I need a socket, and I'm gonna go and get my socket and I'll take that off. Alright guys, I'm installing the new mirror here, side view mirror, as you can see, and this one has the silver part on the outside which was needed, and my friend here, he got it. So now I'm going to reverse everything and put these bolts on. So this is in, these two I'll just put them on and then start reversing the whole process once again of reinstalling everything. Alright, so we are testing it right now and see how this mirror is working. So I don't know if you guys saw, but this light came out, and that's for the blind spot. Right there you can see it. And can you turn it to see if the motor is working fine? No, it has to be engaged from here. Okay, no problem. So looks like it's a good fit and it's working. So yeah, so here it is. And then I'm gonna start putting all these panels back on and reclip everything, and the job is pretty much done. So if you guys need this kind of work to be done, and changing the tires, and doing some kind of interior work like this, so do let me know. I will do it for you guys, and I'll give you a quote, and then we'll go from there. Guys, while installing this, first I was trying to install this, and before that this piece was already installed, but I couldn't get this part right here, this rubber molding into the sill there. And for that I had to take this out first, put this one in right across, and this one went into the sill, sat nicely. Then I had to put this panel on. So there is a video who the gentleman is describing how all this done, but his car and this car are slightly different, and the difference being his panel, I believe this part is all separate, because that goes after this panel, but in this case it has to go first. So that's the only difference. Otherwise everything is pretty good. So now I'm just going to install these screws. The what do you call, the door panel is all latched in. All the connector are in there, in the holes where it's supposed to be. And I'm just going to put these screws in, these three screws in, then connect this part right here for the doors operation, this hand rest, and put this clip in, and we are almost done. Alright guys, as you can see, the whole panel is on, the light is working, everything is fine. These switch panels, the control panel is on it, and now I'm going to put this last panel in and we are done. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it is. Up, down, out, in. And so we around the okay, so the windows are working. These were down, so we just put them up. The locks are working. So yeah, job done. Excellent.